Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something super exciting to share with you all. We're going to unbox the latest gaming console from Nintendo. We can't wait to show you everything inside and share our first impressions with you. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an unboxing video from us. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below with your favorite Nintendo games. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. First up, we have the beautifully packaged console with its iconic red and white design. Inside, we find the controller, a power cord, a HDMI cable, USB-C to HDMI cable, and a user manual. Next, we move on to the game bundle. That's right. Alongside the console, we also get a copy of the highly anticipated game. We can't wait to dive into this game and see what all the hype is about. Now, this is where it gets really exciting. Time to remove the cardboard protective cover. We can hear the anticipation in the air as we hear the first drop of the console. Oh boy, we're feeling the rush. Finally, we get to see the face of the console for the first time. It's absolutely stunning, and we can't wait to play all our favorite games on this thing. That's it for today's unboxing. We hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to check out our next video. Until then, keep gaming, and we'll see you in the next one.